Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to create surveys in HubSpot. So you come here, hover over at the left-hand panel. I want you to scroll down until you come on this icon. So here, this is the service section. And then come here, click on feedback surveys. Okay. And here is where you're going to be able to create your surveys. So let's wait for this to load up. Now here we go. Click on create a survey. And you can either build your own custom survey from scratch, or you can use one of their industry standard surveys if you want to go ahead and save time. For example, with customer loyalty, customer satisfaction, customer support. Okay. Basically to discover how easy it is for your customers to find help when they need it, right? You can also check out some previews as well. So if I come here, click on these, we will be going and clicking on next. Right here, we'll choose email as the delivery method. So here you go. This is the preview. Hey, how's your support experience? And they would go ahead and give a rating here. Okay. So come here and click on create. This is just an example. Of course, you can create your own from scratch as well. So here you go. The survey is currently getting ready. And first, we can select our survey language. We have our company name right there, URL. So this is standard information that will already be pre-populated once you have created your HubSpot account. So this is your subject line. Ask them whatever question you want here. Of course, you can edit any of this, right? Just like that. This is what it will show like, hey, how's your support experience? And then they would go ahead and answer you, right? And this is the email body right here. So we have this first name field. You can edit this, of course. So that is going to be picked up from our contacts. So this is great because we are personalizing it, right? It is getting personalized. So they feel much more valued. And then we have this question. You can edit that as well. You can come here and change around the theme. If you would like, you can change this image by clicking on replace. Okay. And do things like that. And then here is our feedback section. You can set your feedback question, whatever you want. And this is, the follow-up questions. So if they say that it's difficult, right? If it's 1, 2, 3, then you ask, this is the follow-up question. If it's neutral, 4 or 5, right? The score, this will be the follow-up question. You can edit everything here easy, then you can pick that, right? And then we come to a thank you for the survey. Once they answer your survey, give them a thank you message. You can choose your recipients here as well. Okay, who you want to go ahead and survey. Maybe people who are, waiting for a contact, waiting on us, or the tickets have been closed, and when, maybe immediately after the ticket changes that status, or you can add a delay. Okay, and you can set up your automations here as well. And after you're happy, you can go ahead and click on review and publish right there. Okay. And if there's any errors left to be done, you can go ahead and click here and make your edit. So who you want to survey, we'll go ahead and do once the support tickets have been closed. And now we will be able to publish it. Okay. And it's really that easy and simple.